Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get all our notifications. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. A hands-on video and images of LG G7 have been leaked in a recent time, so let's take a close look at it and see what it looks like. The front of the LG G7 is having a notch like iPhone X, another large love after OnePlus 6. I don't know what is wrong with these mobile companies. Why are they getting inspired by something that is only a limitation like that notch? The bottom of LG G7 is having a hefty chin. That is ridiculous. A notch on the top and a thick bottom bezel does not justify anything. From the front, it may look like an Apple fanboy. However, the back of G7 is glass, so wireless charging is a must. A dual camera module and a fingerprint sensor just below the vertical dual camera setup, which is completely absent on iPhone X. What do you think about the notch on LG G7? Tell me in the comment section below. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.